Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. Finally getting a little bit of inventory back on some used engines. Wintertime's coming, so we actually have time to get going on them. This one is a 2008 115 Yamaha 4-stroke EFI. This one came back with 230 hours, 170 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it. It'll come with a new OEM control box. I've got it mounted to the stand. It makes it a lot easier to run these engines. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new engine oil, and the fuel system has been cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. And this is a 20-inch long shaft transom. And 20-inch is a long shaft. I've still got people messaging me thinking that 20-inch is an extra long. It's not. Got it pumping good water here. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit farther. I don't feel like getting wet on a Friday. Go ahead and put it forward. It's got some pretty good throttle response there. Let's see here, back to neutral. Go into reverse. And yes, this does have power tilt and trim on it. Go ahead and shut it off here. Fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you, and have a great weekend.